Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 using Dell OS recovery tool on your Dell computer. Now, in order to create a recovery media, you need a USB flash drive of 16 gigabytes or more, and you also need a working computer with internet access. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link. Then click on download OS recovery tool. Exe file will download. You have to go ahead and run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Then click on install. Now after the installation, you will see this pop-up. You will see this screen. Go ahead and close this and then go to the desktop. Now here you can see the Dell OS recovery tool shortcut. So open this application, click on yes to allow. Now here you can see it's detecting my computer. This is my Dell computer. So if this is your Dell computer, it will go ahead and recognize the Dell computer. Suppose you want to create a recovery media for this computer on which you are working right now, then you can go ahead and click on this. But if you want to create a recovery media for another Dell computer, then you have to enter the service tag or the express service code of that Dell computer. So if you have a laptop, if you flip your laptop upside down, on the bottom there is a sticker where you can find the service tag and the express service code for your computer. Now if you have a desktop, if you have a tower, then on the top of the tower you might find a sticker where you can see the service tag number, or it may be on the back side. So please find your service tag number, then enter the service tag number over here. So let me enter my service tag. Then click on search, then click on next. Now you have to go ahead and plug in the flash drive, the USB flash drive of 16 gigabytes or more. So here you can see it's mentioned over here 16 gigabytes. So you need a flash drive of 16 gigabytes or more. So in my case it's 8 gigabytes. So please ignore this message which says not enough space, because my flash drive is only 8 gigabytes. So connect the flash drive and then click on I understand, then click on download. Now let me inform you that once you click on I understand and once you click on download, whatever data you have in the USB flash drive will be gone. So before you connect the USB flash drive, make sure that you create a backup. So if you have any important data in your USB flash drive, just create a backup, because once you click on download, it will go ahead and format the flash drive, and whatever data you have in the flash drive will be gone. So click on download, and once you click on download, it will start downloading the Windows 10 or the operating system, and it will create a bootable media. Now once the download is complete, once the process is complete, you have to go ahead and unplug the USB flash drive from this computer, and then you have to plug in the USB flash drive to the Dell computer on which you want to install the operating system. So after you plug in the USB flash drive, then you have to start the Dell computer, and as soon as you start the Dell computer, immediately you have to keep on tapping the F12 key on the keyboard, which will take you to the boot menu screen. So start the computer. On the top row of your keyboard, you will find many functions like F1, F2, F3. So start the computer, keep on tapping F12. You will see the boot menu screen, and on the boot menu screen, you have to select your USB flash drive. So with the help of down arrow key on the keyboard, you can scroll down and you have to select the USB flash drive. The name may be USB storage device, or it may be USB 1, or it may be simply the name of your flash drive. So select your flash drive, then hit the enter key on the keyboard. Now let me inform you that whenever you reinstall the operating system on your Dell computer, you will lose all the data on your Dell computer. So just wanted to inform you that reinstalling the operating system will result in data loss. Now once you hit enter, after you select the USB flash drive, once you hit the enter key on the keyboard, it will take you to the screen which says choose an option, and one of the option will be troubleshoot. So you have to go ahead and click on troubleshoot. Now once you click on troubleshoot, you have to select the option which says recover from a drive. So make sure that you select this option which says recover from a drive, which will select your USB flash drive, and it will start installing the Windows 10 from your USB flash drive. Now then after that, you have to simply have to follow the on-screen instruction to install the operating system, and once that is done, you can go ahead and set up your computer and you can start using Windows 10 on your computer. Now, this process takes time. Now, I have seen that when you reinstall the operating system using Dell OS recovery tool, it takes around 2 hours to 4 hours. So in some cases I've seen 2 hours, in some cases I've seen 4 hours. So maximum it may take 4 hours for the complete process. So in case if you don't want to waste so much time, then you can use media creation tool to install the operating system. That does not take long. So I provide the link in the video description which will show you how to reinstall Windows 10 using media creation tool. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.